Hey Danny, so I am just going to show you a couple of things. Um, when you get on to the computer, which I think Aaron's going to give you the username and password and stuff. If you go into my drive, you may have to sign in and it's just using that same username and password. But once you get into the drive, if you go to subplans and then go to Danny, all the stuff that she printed out for you is here. And then the slideshow's here too to show the kids. Um, yeah, so that's where you need to go. And I am only done to slide 6 as of now. Also, I wanted to show you that your subplans are right here, and I only have done to there so far. So by the time you have prep time, they should all be done. I'm almost finished with them. Everything else is lined out for you. And then if you can copy during your prep oops, where'd they go? If you can copy page 1 and page 2 front to back for the kids, you'll need 26 copies for those. That is going to be key for your big block in the morning from like 9 until, well, pretty much all morning till 11:40. So everything's kind of lined out for what the kids need to do during that chunk of time. So that's all. I think that's that, and that's all. Okay, talk to you later. Holler if you have questions. I have my phone on me, so give me a shout if you have any questions. Okay, adios.